And a majority of these monster trucks that we have were given to us by Ellis's cousin, Austin. And that's what kind of sparked his love. Him and then Gigi buying some for him too. But we love them. So we want to thank Austin for like all of these that he gave us because we love them.
Thanks, Austin.
Fun with Ellis.
Alright, we got our Hot Wheels Monster Jam, our classics. These ones are the 1/64 scale. They're super cool. And we've got the big tires. The first one that we've got is Ice Cream Man. Oh wow, that's cool. He's coming up. Look at that one. That's Wolverine. You want to do that one next?
Yeah.
Alright, let's show Wolverine. This one kind of comes apart because we played with it in the yard a lot. We love this one. Listen to it. It's got sand in the tires. Whoa. This is Wolverine. Look. Rah, 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 rah. He's got the claws on the front. He's yellow and blue. I love Wolverine. Woo. Oh, we've got the shiny Gravedigger. Ellis found it. This is a special edition. 4-time champion Gravedigger.
He's silver.
Oh, and he's silver with green flames on the front. And this is a Treads one too that goes really fast on the ground.
Look.
You want to do another one?
Yeah,
Alright, we've got our Hot Wheels Monster Jam, our little ones. These are the regular Hot Wheel edition ones. This is Avenger. He's blue. I like the name Avenger. Sounds like a superhero. So there's Avenger. Who do you have?
I have it.
This is one of my favorites. This one, what does he have on him, Ellis? What is this?
Fire truck, monster truck.
Yeah, and he has fire too. So this is a Hot Wheels edition. This one's called the Vet King. He's orange and yellow with flames. Ellis is showing us what Backdraft does. He looks like a firefighter and he's got the sirens on top. What does he say? Wheel, 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 wheel. I love Backdraft. This is a classic. And this one, it says Hot Wheels on the sign. It's got the signature of the driver on there. Backdraft. Who do you have?
I have Bulldozer.
The huge classic Bulldozer Treads edition. So it rolls. And look, Ellis is doing a wheelie with it. Wow. And look at his horns, they move. Bulldozer, look out for him. He's got the ring in his nose. Wow. Who do you have? Gravedigger. Wow. Everyone loves Gravedigger with the black and the green. It's got that super cool skull on the side. And this is one of those big Treads ones. I love this one. There's his motor in the back. Who do you have, Ellis?
I have this one.
It's the Hulk. Another classic Hot Wheels one, Monster Jam. Good job, Ellis. This is the Hulk, the superhero.
Look at this.
Ellis picked out one of his favorites, guys. What do you call this one, Ellis? What's this one?
Don't look for more than that Uncle Michael.
Oh, that's really cool. Those are Uncle Michael's trucks. This is Crazy Train. Ellis calls this the Choo-Choo Train one. He's got the train on the side. Love the colors on this one, the blue and yellow.
That was a monkey truck.
Do you want the monkey one or Uncle Michael's? Which one do you want to do next? The monkey?
Yeah.
Alright, any of those video gamers out there? This is Donkey Kong. Look at that, he's got his tie in the front with DK on it. Oh, I like Donkey Kong, and he's a monkey. And then we'll do, this is from Uncle Michael. They let us borrow it for the video. This is actually theirs. So this is a really cool one. It came in a 4-pack. This is Metal Militia. Wow, and on the back it says 2-time champion.
You didn't to Uncle Michael?
Yeah, this is Uncle Michael's. He let us borrow it today. I like this one. It's a pickup truck.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Uncle Michael and Pops. Alright, what do you have? Oh, should we do with this one too?
No, this one's fun.
Alright, Donkey Kong, we saw him, right? He's a classic. Love him.
I got this one.
Who do you have here? This one is what color, Ellis? It's blue and purple. This one is Overkill Evolution. And on the top it says Smile More. I like that one. Cool. Which ones are you playing with? Oh, 2 of Daddy's favorites. Here they come. Can I show this one? This is the Dalmatian edition of Monster Mud. And look, he's got some mud in his tires. Wow. He's got the black spots and he's white and he's got his tongue sticking out. I like him. And then we've got our brown one.
I will try the tongue.
You want to try the tongue? Oh, he's giving him kisses. This is the brown edition monster. Flappy ears on the side. Good job, Ellis. All right, look at his ears. I like that one. Does his ears go up?
It's like,
Oh, this one says roar, monster mutt. Like that one. Which one's next? Oh, who's that? Brutus, that's right. This is Brutus. He looks like a wolf. Oh, I like him, and he's got slobber on his teeth right here. Ew. This one is so cool. What color are his wheels?
Orange.
Orange. He's got orange wheels. I love that.
Yeah, white.
All right, Brutus.
She has white on it.
Who did you find? Who's that?
I had tiger.
Oh, this is the tiger one. His official name is Prowler. And look at that, he looks like a tiger in the jungle.
I have this one.
Roar!
I have the dragon one.
And Ellis did find the dragon one. And you know what his name is? Dragon. Look at that with the orange and green and those scary eyes. Wow.
Spider-Man.
Were you doing Spider-Man on my arm?
Yeah.
Spider-Man is up next. We have a couple different editions of Spider-Man. This one's got Spider-Man crawling on the hood. And some nice windows that are Spider-Man's eyes. You got Mohawk?
Yeah.
The big Mohawk warrior. Yes, we do have two of them. We love them that much. One's from Gigi and one's from, I think, Gammy and Pops. We love them. And look at that Mohawk on top. Love that. They can race. They're like brothers. Whoops! Love that one. Okay, let's go over, wait, roll them this way, Ellis, because we have them all down here. This one we have. Who's this, Ellis? Who's this? This one is Medusa! I love Medusa. This is a pink one. This truck is so cool. You don't see a lot of pink monster trucks. And it says on the top, champion, two-time champion. Oh, I love Medusa with that big M on the front. It's a great looking car. Who do you have over there? You counting them? 1, 2, 3. We've got two different versions of Gravedigger here. This is the 4-time champion one. And then this is the Bad to the Bone edition. Two Gravediggers. We love them that much. Boom, boom.
I'm gonna get it out in the video.
We're gonna show them in the video here. Ellis, we had a big one earlier. Who's this? Oh, you want to do Brutus?
Yeah.
And then here's Bulldozer. Look at Bulldozer with those little horns. Wow. He's got teeth on the side, right? He's cool. You like Bulldozer? I like him too. While Ellis is playing with one of his favorite, he loves Bulldozer. I'm going to show you Pouncer. Look at Pouncer. He's got millions of spots all over him. I love Pouncer. Wow. He's got yellow eyes on the front. He looks like a cheetah. Wow. That's Pouncer. Ellis, who's this? We have another Gravedigger, and look, you'll see his colors are different. These one hit. What color is he? Yeah, he's blue all over because he's a classic. This is the old classic edition of Gravedigger. Wow, I like that one. Oh, don't forget this one. Who's this? This is the Gravedigger's son, and his name is Son of a Digger. And look at that, he's got the blue and the black. Wow, I like him. He's cool. All right, Ellis, you're playing with Bulldozer down there. Look at this one, buddy. You just got this one. This is one of the ones we got in an exclusive pack. Love the colors on this one. Who's this, Ellis? Who's that? Black Stallion? Oh, it's Black Stallion. And it's got a horse on the side. Wow. Ellis really likes that one. We talked about Brutus? Yeah. Alright, another one from Gammy and Pops' house. This is Alien Invasion. Woo! Alien Invasion. Maybe there's aliens driving it on the inside. Let me see. Are there any aliens in it? Yeah? Woo! It's like a UFO. I love this one. One of Daddy's favorites. Who's this? This one's Captain's Curse. Aye, aye, matey. Look at that. Gonna get me buried treasure. Captain's Curse. Oh, and we have another one of Captain's Curse, don't we? And he's all black with red rims, but we can't find him, so just this Captain's Curse today.
Look at this.
Ooh, who do you got? This is the Scarlet Bandit, and these are really cool. When you buy them in the pack, they have dirt on the tires already, so it looks like it's been through a really rough track already. The Scarlet Bandit. This is a classic. Can you talk about Bone Shaker? So this is Bone Shaker. This one is one of those tread ones too. And Bone Shaker has the engine on the front. Bone Shaker with a skull. Watch out for Bone Shaker. What's this one, Ellis? Who's this? What does this one look like, Ellis? That looks like a dump truck. This one's called Earth Shaker. Can you do that, Ellis? Earth Shaker, it's a dump truck. It's got the all black wheels. It's yellow, and it can dump stuff from the back. I like that one. This one? What's this one?
Bulldozer.
Yeah, it looks like a bulldozer because it's got the big wrecking ball on the front. This is called Wrecking Crew. Let's bring all these over here. Alright, we got a lot of good ones coming up. We're saving the big one for the end. Alright, we've got another Mohawk Warrior. This one is a special edition. Oh, you found a rock?
Yeah.
Cool. Probably from one of our cars. This is Mohawk. I'm holding him by his hair.
Look at this.
Do you want to put him in here? Oh! Oh man, we'll put it down there. It's got the stars and stripes on it like the American flag. Oh, that one's beautiful. Huh. Yeah, you want to try that one? We have another Spider-Man. This one's an older one. This one has Spider-Man crawling on the back. Wow, and it's got silver rims, big black tires. Spider-Man. He jumped? Oh man! Who's coming up, Ellis? It's Jurassic Attack! Oh man, he kind of looks like a Triceratops. He's got 3 horns and blue scaly skin. It's Jurassic Attack. It's the lobster one! Do you remember his name? Oh no, we have another silver one! We'll get it, we'll get it! This one's Crustacean. He looks like a lobster sitting on the truck. Wow! And look, special edition 25th anniversary. Crustacean, that's why he's all silver.
This one.
What's that one, buddy? Oh, I love that one. I need to get this one to see what the name of it is. Okay, so, these ones are actually a Hot Wheels edition. So Hot Wheels makes monster trucks in real life too. Ellis has the shiny 25th anniversary one, and this is what it looks like normally. I think it has like 4 different variations. This one's so cool. Yellow and pink. Hey, don't forget that silver one that Ellis had. All silver, shiny.
Whoa.
Who's that, buddy? Who's this? It's the War Wizard! Woo! Wow! Look at that with those yellow tires. I'm gonna cast a spell on you. War Wizard. Are you bouncing on your hand like Daddy? Oh wow. We've got another grave digger here. Flames on the side, black and green grave digger. Boom! Keep them on this side, buddy. Wait, we're gonna go these ones. You wanna show them your big one? Guys, if you ever see in the store these really big die casts, this is a die cast and it's the Iron Man edition. It's huge! Ellis loves that one. He loves to run over the other monsters with it. Watch. Wanna run it over?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! Oh man! Look at Iron Man with those big tires. What did he run over? Oh, this is Soldier Fortune. This is also from Gammy and Pops' house, Uncle Michael's collection. Look at that with the camouflage all over it. Wow, that one's cool. Don't worry, we got a special edition, El Toro Loco. Look at that. Blue and green. I love this one. Do you like this one? Oh, you're making him flip? I love El Toro Loco. Wow. Pull this one out from under here. This is Ice Cream Man. Oh, do you hear that, Ellis? Ice Cream Man. What color are his tires? What color are his tires?
Red.
Kind of reddish, pinkish, and they're kind of see-through.
Oh,
So
red.
cool. It's in the shape of an ice cream truck.
That one's red.
That one's red too. Iron Man is also red. Wow. Bulldozer! Here comes Bulldozer with those horns in the front. He's like a cream color. Man, he looks really cool. He's been through the dirt a lot. He's got dirt all over his tires. And we've got, oh, Ellis. Ellis, what does this one have on his tires? What does he have on his tires? Who's that?
More tired.
He has muddy tires. This is Outlaw. And this is one of those special editions that has the mud already on the tires. Oh, that is so neat. Outlaw. Here's a new one. We just got it the other day for Mommy's birthday. What is this one, Ellis? Who's that? Predator. That's right. And he looks like a what? What kind of cat?
Truck.
He's like a monster truck panther. Predator with the blue and black. Woo! Oh, here comes one of Uncle Michael's favorites. Here he comes. It's the... Who's this? It looks like Monster Mutt, but it's blue and yellow. Do you remember this one? Remember what this is called? This is Bigfoot with the blue and the yellow. Bigfoot. Yeah.
This is my favorite.
Is he one of your favorites?
That's an airplane.
Oh, there are airplanes over there.
Wow.
Here comes Tasmanian Devil on top of Ellis. Rah, 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 rah. Tasmanian Devil. Whoop. And then, last but not least, is the purple Sting from the World Wrestling Federation. There's the wrestler Sting on there. And this is one of those treads editions. Woo! Alright guys, so we've narrowed down our top 3 favorite Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks. Mommy's favorite, El Toro Loco. Ellis' favorite, Monster Mutt Dalmatian Edition. And Daddy's favorite, the Hot Wheels Monster Truck. Alright guys, thanks for looking at our entire collection of monster trucks. There's so many, we don't even know what to do with them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Bye!